Ever pondered how supermarket chains determine their profitability margins? It's a captivating blend of strategy, competition, and market responsiveness. Today, we delve into the specifics of profitability ratios, why they're set at certain percentages, and what these numbers truly mean. Profitability margins in different commodity departments vary greatly. For instance, groceries, which form a significant weight in the product mix, usually have a profitability ratio of around 20%. However, this number can decrease in a competitive market scenario. Similarly, departments like local butchery and birds sustain at around 20%. In contrast, vegetables and fruits can go as high as 25% due to their perishable nature and higher demand. Now, when we talk about perfumery and spices, the profitability ratio soars to 40 to 60%. This high margin is due to the premium nature of these products. Fresh baked goods and hot meals also command higher profitability ratios, ranging from 30 to 40% and not less than 50% respectively, owing to their freshness and instant consumption factor. On the other end of the spectrum, we have departments like frozen goods, Multideck, and gross strategic range, where the profitability ratios range from 10 to 15% and 5 to 10% respectively. These lower ratios are primarily due to the longer shelf life and lower price points of these products. Interestingly, the profitability ratio for women's accessories stands at a whopping 50%. This is because these items often have a high perceived value and can command higher prices. Other departments like makeup and perfumes, antiques and gifts, garden supplies, and sports equipment also enjoy higher profitability ratios, ranging from 30 to 40%. However, it's crucial to remember that these ratios aren't set in stone. They're dynamic and can change based on market conditions, competition, and the chain's overall strategy. For instance, during special offers and festivals, prices may be lowered to attract more customers, which can temporarily affect profitability margins. Now, what's the big picture look like? On average, the profit margin in a supermarket leans towards 15%. This can dip slightly in a competitive scenario, but can also surge to more than 20% in a profit maximization scenario. In conclusion, profitability ratios are a strategic tool that supermarket chains use to balance competition and profit maximization. These ratios vary across departments based on factors like product nature, demand, and market competition. Remember, these numbers are not static, but rather a reflection of the supermarket chain's ability to adapt and thrive in a dynamic market environment.